Welcome! In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to discover and choose the perfect gigs for your project needs in just a few simple steps. Let's start by clicking on the search bar at the top of the page. This is your primary tool for finding specific services. Go ahead and enter keywords that describe what you need. Then hit the search icon to pull up matching gigs. If you'd rather browse by category, you'll find the Categories tab right here. Just hover over it to see all available options. For premium quality services, toggle on the Pro Services filter. This limits results to verified professional sellers. Now we can narrow things down even further using these filters. You can set your budget, preferred delivery time, and specific service options to find exactly what you're looking for. When you spot a gig that looks promising, click this heart icon to bookmark it. You can review your saved options anytime. To learn more about any gig, simply click on it to view the complete service description, seller reviews, and pricing packages. And there you have it. Using these search and filtering techniques, you can quickly find gigs that match your specific requirements. That's all there is to it. You now know how to search, filter, and find the right freelance services. Feel free to run through this again anytime.